The context expression is in the category Other and has a result of a text data type. The purpose of this expression is to return contextual information about the current running app. The context expression has one parameter. This is the keyword used to return specific information. As you can see here, we've listed all of the available keywords and the results for each one. I'm not going to go over each of these individually, but if you'd like to pause and look over it, you're more than welcome to. If you'd like more information about this, the AppSheet documentation is very thorough about what each of these do and can be very useful. That being said, the available keywords are app name, device, host, table, view, or view type. Let's look at an example. Here we can see the context expression used inside of a format rule. We're trying to see if the view type equals a detail. If it's a detail view, then we can set a specific format view within the app. This is one of the more common use cases of the context expression. If it's something else, we can specify different format rules for those different results. We could do the same thing for specific views or specific tables. I hope that this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out appsheettraining.com.